Hey folks, how y'all doing? This is Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Air Modelers Club. Out there on the field is the very beautiful, wonderful Beechcraft D-18 by E-Flite. And this is I think my third time ever flying this plane. Up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder, takeoff flaps, landing flaps, flaps up. Now, this is not intended to be, just so you know, I'm in mid-range, which is 70% throws over 30% expo. So, there you go. All right, we're going to use takeoff flaps today. Going to get turned around. We're going to taxi down here just a little bit. All right, we're gonna get permission from the tower. Oh yeah, they said it's just fine. And you want to get this tail up and then be mindful of that rudder.
Gear up, flaps up.
I'm running a 4,000.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
A 4,000 4S inner. Spectrum 4S. Gears down, flaps are down.
4 minutes.
But see, like I've said many times, if y'all are watch my channel, when I'm not familiar with a bird, pretty much the only thing I do is take off and landings. Take off and landings. That's what I do. Take off and landings. We're going to do a no flap takeoff this time. Okay, so we're going to take off that way towards the east. Well, she really wants to climb. Once you get her off that deck, she really wants to climb. I think I need a little more down elevator by default. What? Silver plane.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Silver plane.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
There. Isn't that beautiful? Bring her by again slow. Gears down, everything. You know, put the gear up.
Flaps up.
There, everything's up now.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Now we're going to bring her by slow. Right at me. All right.
Flaps up.
Still got 2 minutes.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right, take off this time. No flaps.
Gear up. Gear down.
This time we're going to land into the little bit of wind I've got, which is basically nothing, but no flaps. Just about have to dead stick this plane. Much better on dead sticking, that's for sure. All right, still got 1:38. Let's take a look at all this fancy technology here and see what kind of battery life. Oh gosh, still got over almost 3/4 throttle. 3/4 throttle, almost 3/4 of the battery. So let's go up again. All right, this time we're going to turn towards me because there's no wind today, so it's pilot choice. All right, you got to be on that rudder.
Gear up.
You've got to be on that rudder, otherwise she'll ground loop on you. And I promise I'll get y'all once I get more comfortable with this plane, I'll get y'all a safe flight. I'll get you a flight on safe. So
Gear down. Landing flaps. Time remaining 1 minute.
yeah, you just about have to dead stick this plane.
Flaps up.
All right, let's get over in the grass here. All right, we're going to do a grass takeoff
Takeoff flaps.
and that's pretty thick grass, and we'll land in the grass. Maybe. You know what?
Flaps up.
We won't use flaps landing in the grass though, because the grass will slow it down just fine.
30 seconds.
And I know the purpose is to slow her down before she hits, but I want to be able to show how well she rolls in the grass. There you go. No problem at all. And see, she'll taxi just fine in the grass. Actually, she does pretty good. Actually, she does pretty darn good in the grass. All right, let me check this battery here. According to all the fancy technology, I gotta keep remembering you go this, where is it? All right, just under half. 3.86 all the way around. All right, we got enough for one more. One more.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time
And this time we will do landing flaps in the grass, just to see. What a plane. Man, folks, I tell you what, E-Flite, y'all have, Horizon Hobby, y'all have knocked this one out of the park. Out of the park. I tell you what, other than the fact your flap settings were all wrong in the manual, you've knocked this sucker out of the park other than that. But even that was easy to fix. So, man, I tell you what, I love this plane. Absolutely. And yeah, you're saying, man, it's a $400 beer cooler. You're right, it is a $400 beer cooler. And you know what? Worth every penny. Worth every penny. Still got just under half on the battery. But look at this. Look at how beautiful that thing is. I mean, that is one pretty plane. Woo! Love it. All right, folks, there you go.
Motor.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, folks, faith, family, and friends, and planes. Bye. Folks, I'm back at the deck. I on purpose wanted to show you grass ops, but I want to show you what I'm paying for by doing grass ops. Look. Look at the inside of there. I should have known better not to do grass ops on a day when it just rained and they cut the grass the other day. It's going to take me hours to clean this properly. But hey, anything for the hobby, right? I just wanted to share that with you. Remember, grass ops, after they cut the grass and they just rained, not a good time for grass ops as far as getting your plane dirty. Just wanted to share that with you. Bye-bye.